Hey guys, what's up? This is Anand speaking. For starters, Google I/O is basically a developer conference where Google exposes to the world what they've been working on and what kind of technologies will be out there in the market later in the year. Generally, every year they announce what the next version of Android is going to be and what are their features, but it's not just about Android, and that's why it's named Google I/O. Let's check out what happened this year.
Bienvenidos. Guten Tag. Nairobi in Kenya.
You saw it. The opening for the event was amazing. First, let's see about Google Cardboard. It's the Google solution to watch VR or virtual reality videos. There's going to be an upgrade for Google Cardboard this year to use it with phones up to 6-inch screen, and it's going to support iPhone as well. If you remember, there were plenty of 3D TVs in the market a couple of years back, but that became a flop show because there were not much 3D contents produced. It seems Google rightly attacks this problem. They partnered with GoPro in making a solution called Jump, and with that, anyone can make VR videos and watch them right on YouTube. It's going to be a circular grid of 16 cameras. With that, you capture the video and feed it to the Google servers. They stitch the videos together to make a 360-degree VR video. Think of a wedding event being captured with the Jump, and later when you watch the VR video, you can literally relive the event by walking around 360 degrees. How cool will that be? Next, there were some major announcements in the field of IoT. For starters, IoT means Internet of Things. It's an effort to make everything in our life connected, to share information among themselves, and take intelligent decisions that improves our life. Think of a scenario where as soon as you park your car in the garage, on the way back from office, your heater is turned on, the coffee maker prepares coffee for you, and the door unlocks itself when you come nearby. Everything without even taking your phone out of your pocket. It's all going to happen in the very near future. I'm truly amazed by Google in the way they enable the world to evolve technologically by making the right platform for others to develop on. Just like Android for smartphones, they now announced something called Project Brillo and V for IoT. Next comes Google Photos. Do you want to store your lifetime of photos online and relive the moments with your grandchildren? Well, you can do that with Google Photos. They provide unlimited storage for photos and you can keep them private to you. It has face tracking feature, auto arranging of photos, smart search, auto classification based on people, places and things, and so on. And there is an interesting way of sharing common photos with friends. Upload them to Google Photos and share them, and your friend can download all the shared photos into his account with just a tap. Another small thing but effective is that there is a simple gesture to select multiple photos now. The new Google Photos is available right now. The next version of Android is going to be called Android M, and let's check out some of its features. So there are a couple of offline features announced for countries like India and Mexico. It seems you can download up to 48 hours of YouTube videos and watch them offline when you don't have internet connection. Google Maps also gets some offline features where you can get turn-by-turn navigation offline. That's cool. Then comes something called Now on Tap. For sure, Apple will play catch up here. On any screen or any app, just keep pressing the home button and you'll get context-specific information. For example, your friend mails you about a movie plan, and with Now on Tap feature, you can get the details of the movie like ratings, a link to watch the trailer, and so on, right when you're reading the mail. It's not just about information. If the context says you have to do something at some time, it may even help you set up a reminder. I would say this is an evolved version of Google Now.
Show me pictures of Spinaco tiropita.
Pictures of Spanakota rapida. Here you go.
Next, you're going to see USB Type-C ports in your future Android phones. They provide faster data transfer and faster charging. USB-C cables are flippable, so you can connect it the right way every time. One cool thing about it is that you can use your phone as a battery pack and help your friend who needs to charge his phone badly. Then there is a battery improvement feature announced called Doze, which I think every Android owner welcomes readily. But I feel it's mainly useful for tablets to improve the standby time. The way it works is it puts all the background tasks in a kind of deep sleep mode when the device is stationary. And for that they use accelerometer. But the problem it seems is that the feature will not work when the phone is in your pocket. So I'm not very much impressed with this feature, but it will help for tablet users. Another catch-up by Google is Android Pay, a revamped version of Google Wallet if you remember. It's just like Apple Pay where you add details of your credit card to the phone and use your phone for purchase. Good thing about it is that you don't need to share your credit card details with the merchant. Along the same line, Google has also announced the support for fingerprint authentication on Android. So you can use your fingerprint to unlock your phone and also use it with Android Pay for any purchase online or at the stores. Last but not the least, Google has partnered with Udacity to provide a nano degree on Android app development. This course is conducted by none other than the Google engineers themselves. You can get all the course materials for free. But to get the certificate, coaching and support on your project work, you'll have to pay $200 per month. And the course runs for 9 to 12 months. The first set of enrollment closes on June 8th, and if you finish the course within a year, you'll get 50% of the course fee returned to you. Here comes the end of the video. If you like this video, feel free to like, comment and share with your friends. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.